Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry effectively. Begin by building a strong foundation in basic principles. Understanding concepts like atomic structure, bonding, and molecular geometry is crucial. Dedicate ample time to mastering nomenclature and recognizing different functional groups. This initial effort will make complex topics much easier to grasp later, setting you up for success in your organic chemistry journey. Mohit Tyagi's approach emphasizes conceptual clarity and problem solving. Make sure to follow his lectures in the recommended order, as topics often build upon each other. Consistent practice is key. Aim to solve at least 10 to 15 problems every day. This active engagement with the material, combined with regular review, will solidify your understanding and improve your problem-solving speed significantly. Reaction mechanisms are the heart of organic chemistry. Don't just memorize them, understand the why behind each step. Actively draw out mechanisms, showing the movement of electrons with curved arrows. Keep a dedicated notebook for named reactions and their specific reagents. Understanding the role of each reagent and recognizing common patterns will help you predict products for unfamiliar reactions with greater accuracy. For effective revision, challenge yourself with advanced problems and mock tests. This helps identify weak areas that need more attention. Create concise summary notes for each chapter, focusing on key reactions and their mechanisms. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud or teach them to a peer. This active recall method significantly enhances your retention and ensures a deeper understanding of the subject matter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.